my name is Paikia Houston. I am a marketing major and I'm currently the vice president of the Globe. Let me give you a little tour. So, as we walk down, this is one of our main hallways. We can come down here and we have rooms on both sides. So if you want to take a look over there, down that hallway we have a bunch of rooms. Down this hallway we also have a bunch of rooms. Within the center part of these rooms, we have the study lounges, which are large and very spacious. And they have some tables as well as some comfy couches and big whiteboards. I've definitely seen people doing a lot of chemistry work on those whiteboards. And there are two of them along the center. If we come back down here, there are rooms all along the other side. So at the end of this hallway, if you turn, rooms all along that side, and that exit leads you out to Mifflin, which is how you get to Rediford, which is our commons. This is our main area. This is where all the fun happens. This is the Globe Kitchen. It is the only floor in Simmons that actually has a working kitchen. I love to cook here. We've hosted many programming events here, like the Cultural Cooking Lab, which I was the point for, and we definitely had a lot of fun dragging big tables up here and spending a lot of time cooking up delicious feasts. So we have our communal fridge over there. That's one of the greatest things I love about it, because the mini fridges, if you like cooking, they're not enough. Here we have our big TV, which is where we host our discussions and our global, our general body meetings. And here on the tables, we have people that like to sit and study or just eat. As we come down here, there are more rooms down this way. We have another two set of study rooms, which people frequently use. So you can see people are coming to study. They also have the large whiteboards. And that exit down over there leads to Shortledge, which is the way that you get to everything. As you come back down here, we can take a peek at what the bathrooms look like. We do have a long corridor of bathrooms. We have the communal sinks, which is where you do like general washing up and stuff. Down here we have our handicapped bathrooms, and then over here we just have our regular bathrooms. The ones on this side are just restrooms, and then the ones on this one are actually the shower. And the best part of the bathrooms is that, unlike the rest of Simmons, which is like a general shared bathroom, these are all single bathrooms, and they're really great when we keep them clean. Other great aspects of the floor, we have the piano, which a lot of people like to come down and play occasionally. I definitely enjoy that. And our next stop is one of the rooms that I would like to show you. So this room is currently being occupied by our previous president, Sarah Pendleton, and she is actually the big brain behind a DC trip that we're going to take, which is going to be very, very fun. As you can see, they're very spacious, they have big windows, and they have lots of closet space, and also the ceilings are really high, which is something you won't get in other places, especially on the rest of Simmons. Other than that, we just like to share these spaces. We love to have fun, and it's a great place where we can be one big happy family and a very loving and welcoming community.